If you become a foster carer in Merthyr, there's a range of local authority support available to you. This film follows Fern and Amy, two members of the local authority care team in Merthyr. They represent just some of the people who are here to help you when you become a foster carer. Today, Fern is setting up for one of the regular support groups put on for foster carers. Amy is off on a home visit to see Sam, who's been fostering in the area for nearly 20 years.
Coming in.
Hiya, you okay?
Yeah, good, you?
Dweud bod yn Merthyr bron 60 plant. Byddai ddim yn gallu wneud yr hyn dwi'n wneud heb cymorth y local authority.
How are the kids doing?
School's going awesome, lots of certificates for the little one.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. Mae'n anodd I ni fel gofalwr maeth just codi'r ffôn ac admit bod ni'n angen help. Mae Amy ddim yn wneud I fi teimlo bod fi'n methiant trwy galw am cymorth.
He's doing well, look.
Oh my
Little
gosh,
sippy
he's
cup.
holding the second.
Meanwhile, nearby in Dowlais Community Centre, a support group put on for local foster carers is underway.
Hello.
Hiya, good morning, you okay?
We'll come together and people will offer tips, advice to one another about certain situations they've been in. I think it's a really good way of showing support for the whole of the fostering community.
So how's everybody doing? You okay?
Fine.
Yeah.
One of the advantages of support groups is that foster carers can share experiences and learnings with fellow foster carers.
Sometimes you do need someone that is in the same boat as you.
They've maybe been through a situation that you've been through and their advice is really valuable.
I've been doing this now 22 years and in support groups, that's where I get most of my tips.
Foster carers can also get support from a therapeutic worker who is part of the team.
Hello. Hi.
How are you doing? You okay?
I'm okay.
So the therapeutic role is quite different to a social work role. What I do then is work with our children who may be presenting with emotional difficulties, with challenging behaviour. For foster carers as well, to kind of help develop their skills.
Training, support and development for foster carers can happen in person, in the community or from the comfort of your own home.
Mae cymorth y gofalwr yn bwysig iawn. Mae Amy yn helpu fi ar enghraifft efo'r book o'r training a dangos fi y path cywir I gwasanaethau sydd yna dwi'n gallu defnyddio.
Just teach the children, nurture them. That's what the trainer's there for.
Mae'n yma ar end y ffôn, mae'n dod allan os dwi eisiau cymorth, mae'n helpu fi mewn digwyddiadau sydd yn anodd I mi. Mae'n yma o hyd am unrhyw beth. A boet y cacen.
Mae Merthyr yn amazing. Mae'n gift amazing I rhoi I blant.
Dwi'n caru'r proses, dwi'n caru'r Merthyr. Byddai'n annog unrhyw un I Merthyr, unrhyw un sydd yn cael lle yn y tŷ, lle at y bwrdd, lle yn y calon. Just neidio mewn, neud e. Neud e.